In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make one of the most traditional cakes in Brazil, carrot cake. I am Paula Romero and I'm gonna share with you simple ways to cook good food. When you don't know what to do with the few remaining carrots in your fridge, make a carrot cake. And it's not at all like the American version. Even if you're not a big fan of carrot cake, you should give this recipe a try. I guarantee you, it will change your mind about carrot cake. I'm gonna grease and flour the abundant pan. This will prevent the cake to stick to the pan. Then we're gonna discard the excess flour. And that's it. Then we're gonna set this aside. So in a large bowl, I'm gonna mix the flour and the baking powder. And sifting the flour helps to remove and avoid lumps that could weigh down the batter. You should also sift the flour that has been sitting around for a long period of time. So just mix them all together, these two together, and then we're gonna set them aside. Dry ingredients are done. We're gonna move on to the wet ingredients. So to the blender, excuse me, in the blender we're gonna add the carrots. I have the carrots peeled. We are gonna add sugar, oil, which you can use canola oil or vegetable oil, and eggs. This cake is so easy and simple to make. It creates a wonderful dessert and also very nice. It goes very well with a cup of coffee. We're gonna blend this all together on high speed until smooth. All done, and I'll take this out of the way. Now we're gonna pour this carrot mixture into the flour. We're gonna do this in 2 additions. Look at the color of this batter. Doesn't it look beautiful? I like to pour this until the last drop. And we're gonna stir until all the ingredients are combined. And this is it. Batter is done. We're gonna pour the batter into the prepared pan. Done. Next, bake the cake at 350 degrees for about 35 to 40 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the cake comes out clean. By the way, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell so you know when we post a new video. This is the perfect timing while the cake is baking. Cake is almost done. I'm gonna start preparing the frosting. This frosting is very simple to make and it will not thicken as it cools. It's gonna be more on the soft side on top of that cake. It's gonna be so good. So the ingredients are pretty simple. We have butter, sugar, cocoa powder, and milk. Let's check the cake. I believe it's ready. Wow. Check this out. Comes out clean. Another. Yep, cake is ready. Okay, frosting is done. It's thick enough to pour on top of the cake. Check this chocolate frosting. Don't you feel like drinking this with a straw? Wow. Whoops. Here's our beautiful cake. And I don't want to scratch my cake pan, so I'm just gonna make sure with a plastic knife so you don't scratch the pan to go around. No, releasing the edges and here in the middle. Then we're gonna turn the cake over the cake stand. I'm gonna decorate with the frosting. Yeah, I think it's good. Challenging moment. Oops. It's too hot. Check this out. Looks cute. Looks like a spaceship. Our chocolate frosting is ready and we're gonna pour immediately over the cake. Now, tell me if you haven't changed your mind already about carrot cake. Wait until you see inside. Come. It's so fluffy. It smells so good here. And I'm gonna cut myself a slice. Now, imagine a slice of this cake with a cup of coffee in the afternoon. Oh my God, it's the perfect snack. And if you haven't changed your mind about carrot cake, now is the time that you will. Check this out, how fluffy it is. It's so warm. Oh my God. This is so good, so good, so good, so good. I'm sure you're gonna enjoy it. It's not too sweet, it's the perfect sweetness. And the chocolate complements the cake very, very much. The cake is very moist and this soft kind of frosting is an explosion of flavors in your mouth. I don't know how to describe this cake any better than this. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you make it. And let me know what you think about Brazilian carrot cake.